And a good Monday afternoon. Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights, VELCO Weather Hazards forecaster, looking at the country at large. A couple of areas significant to note here. We have this shortwave trough that's come over, some jet stream energy that's come over the top of this ridge here, across parts of North Dakota and adjacent Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and another system further off to the south of the southern Dakotas into eastern Nebraska, Iowa, and then yet another system that looks like it's come in basically from as a tropical depression, and this is located in southern Texas and northeastern Mexico. Still, even another batch of showers and some thunderstorms that will erupt, and they've been seeing quite a deluge with monsoon moisture continuing to spread into the desert southwest. For us, not a whole lot going on. Looking at the temperatures currently right now, the main heat area is to the pretty much the southern part of the U.S. United States. So we're looking at heat indices pretty strong down here with deep humidity. Dew point temperatures look like this. Notice we're in the 50s here, the deep stuff in the 70s down in the Gulf coastal region. Let's take a look at the computer modeling world. So this time around, we're looking at the European model on the left-hand side. The right-hand side, we have the GFS ensemble, several members to be run, I think 40-something. And we're looking at dry weather, of course. This is valid 2 o'clock this afternoon on Monday. And that's going to be the case. We're not going to see any precipitation today or tonight. We have the main ridge of higher pressure that's located to our north. It looks like over James Bay, Canada. And we have a kind of a weak disturbance that's trying to get its act together off the coast, south and the east of New England. That is eventually going to get its act together. And a little bit of moisture starts to flare up here across, it's fairly localized, northern New Hampshire, northern parts of Vermont. And it could pop a thunderstorm right in the areas around the Northeast Kingdom or the northern tier regions. And basically it falls apart, winds on down during the evening hours Tuesday evening. Then on Wednesday we see a little bit more organization and slightly cooling temperatures as we start to get a flow that's really coming in off the ocean from the Gulf of Maine. So Tuesday's highs will be in the upper 70s to around 80. By the time we get into Wednesday, it's going to lower the temperature considerably with a lot of cloud cover and a lot of low-level moisture coming in from the Gulf of Maine. So that's now into Wednesday night. Continues, it looks like we're seeing a little bit of rain shower or periods of rain potentially from Wednesday night, overnight, and then by the time we get into Thursday, things are going to start to lift on out of the region and pull away. And so this is valid late in the day on Thursday. And again, we're looking at drier weather beginning to work in for a good Friday, decent day on Friday. And then on Saturday, also a decent day, ridging higher pressure coming in. Kind of a combination of two different directions here. All good news there. Even on Saturday is looking good, and so is Sunday, just beyond the period. No GFS ensemble plumes to show you here, but we can show you the Weather Prediction Center total 7-day total QPF, and it's pretty scanty, as you can see here. Really, and this is good through the 22nd. That's amazing. Only 1/100 of an inch indicated here, and this would be, of course, weather conditions across portions of eastern New England into the Canadian Maritimes. Looking at temperature, we're coming out of cool temperatures from overnight, and this is anomalously cool. However, we're going to switch to anomalously warm over time here. Taking a look at the weighted MOS meteorological output statistics, the next 5 days of high temperatures, we're going to be about neutral, and we're going to warm it back up. 3 days later, we're looking at somewhere around 3 to 6 degrees above normal. Not very much to show you here. There is a 0% chance of a tropical cyclone, so not really conducive to development here, and the European tropical cyclone ensembles kind of show some interesting things coming off of the African coast, a little bit in the southern Caribbean basin and something off the coast of the East Coast, but pretty pathetic, really not a big deal. This is probably has the best chance, followed by this next system here. And again, we're looking way out there toward the 25th or 24th of August. So quite a ways out, yet around the corner, we're not looking at anything major here from the tropic. And you can see your temperatures are beginning to warm up nicely. Already an 80-degree temperature at Burlington here, and it's just barely turned noon. That's it from here, Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.